Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. We're going on with that beautiful locomotive from France. Right in front of me I have the next magazine that we're looking at, number 10. So let's have a quick look in that. Always these lovely pictures in the front and in the back. There we go, a little bit more about the history of SNCF and all the trains that go through France. This is the whole rail network at 1963. And some beautiful trains, more beautiful trains. We're going on with this stage number 37. Not a lot to do, so that will be quite quickly done. And the second one as well, I think we're going to put that together and putting those pipes on, making sure they are in the right position. In 38, in 39 we're going to put that on with these two little things, then putting it on right there. And then we're getting to the fiddly stuff. A lot of these little wheels that turn steam into the right position. And we've got the larger ones and the smaller ones, as you can see right there. So let's have a look at that. I don't know if I'm going to do all of them, but I'm just showing you all of them. And then always the lovely back of that magazine. So let's go straight into stage number 37 and start that beautiful build. And I'm going to leave it right here next to me. And let's get that out because that's what we're using. So stage 37, these are the parts. And I think we're putting them on like so, with that to the inside, and that's in properly. Now let's go to the other side, and we need to put that on like so over that hole that is there. Then we're going to go to the other side and put some AP screws in, because this whole box is just AP screws, nothing else. Pushing that corner in properly, and there we go. We put that on and that on this little thing here, which I don't know the name, but I can look it up and put the names in on the and yeah, 38. Put the names in on in the video. Let's see. So we've got more of these little things. There's a pin right there and a keyhole pad there, screw hole there. So let's get another AP out to screw that in from the other side. There we go, that's one. And then we're turning it around and going right there, making sure that this side is towards the front, like so. Have a look at that. These little outtakes show you which way that whole thing goes. And then we're taking this one out, we're turning it around, and we're putting it onto those pillars. And there are three more APs to put in, and the last one in of these three APs. And then we're going to put some pipes on, and we're going to be careful. First one that we're putting on is into that one, which is that one. Alright, that one's in. Then we're putting one side, this one, into that one, and the other side into the plate that is there. That side is in. It goes in from that plate all the way to that point there. Then we've got this tiny little thing which goes, that's a peculiar way to put it in, into that point to that point. And we have that in. So we've put that one in first, then that way all the way to the back, then that pillar there. And that is stage 37, I think. Was it 38 done? Let's go to 39, which is this one with these parts. There's no other way to put it than putting it into those posts, or those little holes that are there, or little outtakes, indents. And we do the same thing on the other side with the same AP screw. There's only one way to put it in, so you can't make any mistakes in that, unless you screw it on without having any look at what's there. Then we're putting this onto those points there with 2 more AP screws. As Optimus comes down, or at least his poster. And that is what we have with those 2 APs there, and those 2 blocks with APs there as well. So that is 39 done, and we're going straight to number 40. And we don't need that just yet, because we're going to put a lot of those little things onto this little thing. Start with those first. 4 of those B41s. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's bloody tiny. And this is the first part that we do. Okay, we've got one of the bigger ones in there. Then we've got one in the middle here. Okay, that's in. That is broken because I bent it, but I'm bending it back a bit. And there we go. So we now have that. And then we have got these 5 tiny ones, and they're going on the lower part of it. Let me just cut them, then we have a nice good shape. Yep, pushed it in all the way. That's in as well. And then the last one, there we go. And that's how we have everything in, and this is the last stage, number 40. Everything is put together, and that is what we have. And that is the back of that magazine, which is a nice picture, and I think I've shown you it already, but thank you very much for joining me again. That is what we have done. Those are, be careful because you'll break those. They're quite long, as you can see, so don't break them. Put them together and use force, but not too much. And we've put that whole thing together. We put that whole thing together, those pipes that are in there, and that's it. Please join me next time, and we'll do some more of this beautiful 141R type Mikado locomotive from SSNF in France. Thank you very much. Hope to see you next time. Have a look at my channel and the things that I do that you can see behind me. But I do hope you will join me next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.